Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video.
I am manually driving us out of this turn because not anything against it. This is just one of those turns where you gotta shoot your shot when you got it.
If you guys are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm.
We're going.
Here we go.
Here we go. Single lane roundabout. Ooh. Go. Some love taps, come on. More love taps. Foot through the accelerator through the roundabout. Not gonna lie.
Oh, yeah, no.
Foot through the accelerator.
That's what it looked like.
That's what it is.
That's what it looked like from the air.
There we go.
There we go. That finally wants to go. Okay.
Let's see how it does the turn.
Very herky-jerky.
Almost went too far right.
Very herky-jerky.
I think this is a sheriff behind me, just so you know.
God damn, lightning.
There we go.
Well, we're just going to hope he goes straight and we go left. That would be nice.
Alright, coming up on the left. Which is a tough left because you can't really see around the corner. So we're going to give it a love tap. There we go. And I'm fixing that turn, sorry.
No problem. Woohoo! Alright. Wow. This has been the roughest drive with the software. This has been, like... Alright. Software's testing our patience today.
If that was a police, I actually don't know. It had lights on the top of it. It could have been just a city truck. But I'm surprised.
You didn't get pulled over for daytime driving drunk?
Yeah, because that just felt like pure chaos.
Yeah. It looked like it from there.
Okay, good, because it felt like chaos.
Well, I guess you'll be the judge of it when you go back. When we go back and watch together.
Because my foot. Okay, so as soon as I engaged
slow
it.
Down.
Okay. So as soon as I engaged it, let me know if you need to slow down more.
Where are you at?
40.
43 is fine.
Okay. Oops. Sorry, it's hard to see. There we go.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. No, so I engaged it. It went over the bridge fine. And then it just was, I had my foot through the accelerator through the entire roundabout.
Yep.
Then you could feel it catch where it was like, oh, okay.
Yep.
And then it was like, I'm going to turn, but I'm going to turn really far right. And then it was the mail carrier truck slowing down. So then it was trying to slow down. It didn't know what the speed limit was. So at one point I looked down and the speed limit was, I got it.
Thanks.
Oh, it reset itself. I see. Sorry.
Where are we at now?
40.
Okay, that will be helpful.
Yeah.
Thanks.
I didn't realize it reset itself.
No, you're right. Just pulling away from me. Need you to focus on speed.
Sorry.
Thank you. Now, if you want to continue your story, go for it.
Yeah. Anyways. And it didn't know what the speed limit was, so it was going like. At one point, I looked down and it said it was 65 miles an hour, and I was like, no, we're not doing like.
Yeah, it's been all over the place.
Yeah. That was a little chaotic.
It's a shit show. It's been a fucking shit show. Pardon the French.
Well, we had a good drive going from Country Mercantile to the park. That was a fine drive.
Yeah.
But that little area right there, that's what it's been doing. We call that the 60% drive.
Yeah.
Hey, there's your favorite house.
That was a cool house.
Good now? crane a lot. Is one of my favorite roads. This road's very peaceful.
Mm-hmm.
I can see why people live out here.
Usually it's an easy drive. Like right now.
Yeah, but man,
that was chaos.
we call those the 60% drives.
Yeah.
Where it's fine 60% of the drive, but 40%. Ooh.
The 40% that makes me question my life choices.
I feel like it'd be kind of fun to own a piece of property out here and just bring your trailer and camp along the river.
I'm sure some do.
I would totally do that. That house back there was for sale. Coming up on the crossroad. Actually, it's more of a Y than a crossroad.
Oh, this area? Yeah.
For those in the comments that'll be like, that's not a crossroad. Alright, see, we went from 40 to 27, then it's going to kick it up to 50. So let's dial it back. I'm doing 43. So if you need me to kick it back even more, let me know.
Oh, you're doing good.
It's been doing that more too, the not correct speed regulation. Where it's like guessing, it's like, I think this is 27.
It's like it defaults to that.
Yeah. Which is not always a safe thing.
No. A lot of things are going to improve, I think, with V12. Like, for instance, just keeping up with... I noticed on that live stream with Elon, he had his set speed at 85 the whole time. Like, in other words, he never adjusted it. The car just was naturally driving to how everyone else was driving.
That's good.
Which is great. I think that's going to be the safest approach forward.
Well,
just how is everyone else driving? Drive like them.
Because I think, like, my drive to work, right, on Argent, when you go underneath that underpass.
Yep.
And it has the sign that says 25 when not posted, so the car thinks, oh, I gotta go 25 miles an hour.
Meanwhile, everybody else is doing 50.
Yeah,
50.
And you went from 40 to all of a sudden slamming on the brakes to go 25, and then you're like trying to catch back up.
Yeah. Well, you guys, I'm Gray Shot down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective video. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you again on another one. Bye.